In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the scheduled time in Sendgrid. To begin, you will need to sign in to your Twilio Sendgrid account. As you are opening the Sendgrid dashboard, make sure you are using the account that has the email you scheduled. Once you are at the login screen, enter your credentials and complete the sign-in process. After you sign in, you should see your main Sendgrid workspace with a top navigation menu. This is the area where you will move through the sections to find your scheduled message. Next, click Marketing in the navigation. This selection is important because scheduled single emails live under the marketing tools, not in general settings. After you click Marketing, the page should update to show related options. Take a moment to look for items that control email sending and campaign or message types. You are looking for the place where Sendgrid organizes single sends. Now click Single Sends. This will take you to the section that focuses specifically on individual emails rather than broader campaigns. In this area, you should be able to view messages you have created and messages you have set to send later. If you see a list or table of sends, scan it for the scheduled email you want to adjust. At this point, it helps to locate the subject line or the recipient information shown for that scheduled item, so you can be sure you are editing the correct email. Once you find the scheduled email, open it. Clicking the email entry should bring you to a detail view where you can review the content and the sending status. You may see information such as the current scheduled time, the status of the message, and options for editing or managing it. Open the email carefully, since you will be changing the timing, not the content. After the email is open, click Schedule. This step is where you access the scheduling controls for that specific message. On the schedule screen, you should see the current scheduled date and time that is set to send. Take a moment to confirm that the schedule shown here matches what you intended. This helps prevent accidental changes to a different message or the wrong send time. Now select the new date and time. Use the date picker and the time controls to update the schedule to your desired sending moment. If the interface shows a time zone, make sure it matches your intent. Also, double-check that you are selecting the correct date, especially if you are moving the send across days. After you make your selection, review what is displayed to confirm the new schedule is properly reflected in the fields. Finally, click Save. This confirms the change and updates the scheduled send time in Sendgrid. After you click Save, the page may refresh or show a confirmation that the schedule has been updated. If you see the updated date and time displayed again, that is a good sign. At this point, you can close the scheduling panel or continue reviewing the message details if you want to confirm everything looks correct. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.